Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to build this really nice truck here, and it's a really nice black truck. This is all made by myself. Has a low truck bed, so it's easy to load and unload. It's a nice cab, plus the front with the lights. All looks really pretty. It's supposed to look like one of those old-fashioned trucks. It has really huge wheels, so it has like really hard time turning, but other than that, this thing works really well for straight roads. As you can see, it looks satisfying when you just watch the wheels as they move in a circular motion. So let's take this apart so I can show you how to build it. Alright, so I'm done taking apart everything. So I'm going to show you all the pieces you need for the truck bed. So that's why I haven't taken off the cab yet, because this already requires a lot of pieces. So we have two 6x4 plates, they're like base plates, one 1x8 flat piece, one 1x6 flat piece, one 1x2 flat piece, and one 1x4 flat piece. And then a bunch of these 1x4 tiles, four 1x4s, two 1x2s, two of these 1x2 snot hole pieces, three of these 2x2 tiles, two of these 1x4 axles, four of these wheels, with or without rims, however you want it, one of these gray 2x2s, and one angled 2x4, like a 2x4 slope piece. First, we're going to connect the back with the front. So first, we're going to do this. We're going to connect these pieces, which are towards the very back, and we're going to stick it like so till about here, and like so. As you can see, this will eventually join up like that, but we're not doing it just yet. So yeah. And then we place the first axle onto here, stick the first two wheels on the back. Now we're not going to use the second axle on the second set of wheels just yet, because this goes at the front. So now it should just look like a little wheel cart that you can move around. Next, we're gonna stick these gray pieces on the back, like so. And we're gonna need another one, which is a 1x2. And it's gonna look like this. Now we're gonna cover this up with these tiles. So let's just do that really quickly. Like so. So now it should have like partial tiles. Next, we're gonna stick this here, and it should look like this now. Now we're gonna tile the bottom of our truck. First, let's place this knot hole piece here, and we can place all of our tiles into the bed, like so, and it looks like this. Next, we'll just fill this in like so. This back piece on here. And it looks like this now. Now, we will stack these pieces up until it reaches the height. Now you can probably see it's a little off. That's because it is a little off. It's supposed to move it to back. So we should do this. It should look like that. So we stick one of our tiles here, one of our tiles here, all the way up here, and one tile right there, and this tile goes back where it goes, like that. Now I'm going to take apart the cab so I can show you how to build that. So ready, set, go. Alright, so I've taken apart everything for the cab, so I'm going to show you all the pieces you need. You'll need one 4x6 base plate, one 2x4, three of these grill 1x2 pieces, two 1x2 cheese pieces, 5 of these 1x4 flat pieces, and their tiles, and 5 of these 1x4s, and some glass pieces. So now, what we're gonna do is stick this piece, which goes here, over here. Then, we're gonna place our wheel well over here. Now this is a little too far back, so let's move it a little more. Like so. And we'll add this piece a little later on. But for now, let's work with this. So what we have here is a bunch of tile pieces, which we can work with in a minute once we've got all of this sorted out. Okay, now that we have it sorted out, we can start placing these 1x4s on the sides. And this will be placed here. And you place it like so. So now it looks like this. It's a bit long, nice, because that's what we want. Then we place our little windshield. Then we place the windows on the side. Yeah, this cab's a little loose, so yeah, we might need to work with that a little. Then we need to place these 1x4 tiles on the roof, like so. Looks like this. You can make it go the other way, which I will gladly do, but it's a little harder. Like you have to do like that, and this, and now you have like a removable top to use for your Lego minifigs. So I'm just gonna close that back up. You see it doesn't collapse. This weight piece should go here. These two pieces go here. And these three are like extra pieces. I kind of forgot about them in this build because when I rebuilt it, I didn't really want to use them since I didn't think they were necessary. So this is the final build. And so let me just put it back where it was. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, share with all your friends. I'll see you next time. Bye!